Good morning. Here is a weather update on the upcoming potential for winter weather for West Central Texas. Today is Tuesday, January 7th, 2025. The important updates for this briefing include trends showing lower snow accumulations and overall precipitation for Wednesday, Thursday, and into Friday morning. Looking at the key points, as I mentioned, there has been a significant change in the forecast. Things have been trending warmer and drier for Wednesday and Thursday, and that means there's much lower confidence now that much of the area will see significant snow accumulations. And in fact, many locations may only see a dusting of snow at best. Thursday morning through late Thursday night it still looks like the main period of accumulation, if there is any. We're still looking at the possibility of some light freezing rain or sleet accumulations across the I-10 corridor, Northwest Hill Country, parts of the Heartland, and now possibly into some Concho Valley and I-20 corridor locations as well. Still looking very cold this week, although highs now look to get above freezing Wednesday and Thursday for much of the area, and we're going to see low temperatures continuing in the 20s each morning. Here is that minimum temperature forecast for the next 7 days. As you can see, 20s for almost every day. Once we get into Sunday, it looks like we get some lows in the 30s, but then back down into the 20s for next Monday. And that warming trend is reflected here as well. The chances of highs staying below freezing are now much lower for Wednesday and Thursday. We now see at best a low chance, about 10 to 15%, that temperatures will remain below freezing Wednesday afternoon, and a low chance, about 10 to 30%, that temperatures will remain below freezing for Thursday afternoon. The warmer trend in temperatures would cause much less in the way of snowfall accumulations. Looking at the snow potential for Thursday, which is the main day of potential accumulations of either rain or freezing rain or snow. On the left graphic, you can see the probability of at least 1 inch of snow, which shows basically a low to medium chance, about 20 to 50%, of at least 1 inch of snow across much of the area, with the highest chances up in the Big Country and the Heartland. The right graphic shows a probability of at least 3 inches of snow, and that's showing very low to low chances, about 10 to 20%, of at least 3 inches of snow across the Concho Valley, Big Country, and Heartland. Looking at the storm total snowfall, this is significantly less than what we were looking at yesterday with yesterday's briefing. On the left is our most likely snowfall, and on the right is the reasonable high-end amount. As I mentioned, the forecast most likely and high-end amount snowfall totals have decreased significantly, generally looking at either a trace to up to 2 to 3 inches of snowfall across west central Texas for the most likely. Although things have trended warmer and drier, you cannot completely rule out the chances of some higher snow totals, and that's what we see on the right graphic. We're also looking at the potential for freezing rain, and the left graphic shows the probability of at least 1/100 of an inch of ice, and that is showing low to medium chances, 20 to 50% chance along and south of I-20, with the highest chances down in the Northwest Hill Country and the I-10 corridor. The right graphic shows the probability of at least 1/10 of an inch of ice, and that is showing low chance of 20 to 30% across the I-10 corridor, Northwest Hill Country, and southern parts of the Heartland. That's it for this briefing. Our next briefing is scheduled to take place on Thursday, January 9th, unless there are significant changes in the forecast. Thanks for watching.